Cardano is one of those cryptographic forms of money that have been perpetually hailed as Ethereum executioners. Despite the fact that it was just sent off as of late in 2017, ADA is no more peculiar to accomplishing new achievements. The coin has developed from an inconspicuous situation to surpassing large players like Wave and Litecoin. As a matter of fact, Cardano just required around 3 years to turn into the 8th biggest digital currency by market cap. The stage likewise came into the spotlight and pulled in a lot of media consideration for being the first blockchain to integrate peer-surveyed examination into its center standards. Presently, it is one of the top and most well-known digital currencies, as of now exchanging at $0.5, with a market cap of $17.6 billion. Yet, what precisely is Cardano, and for what reason is it unique? Is it a wise venture? Will Cardano truly supplant Ethereum? In this aid, we are not just demonstrating how to put resources into Cardano, yet additionally examine whether it is a wise speculation for you over the long haul. Cardano is a bit not the same as the majority of the other digital forms of money, since it utilizes a proof-of-stake framework, rather than the more famous evidence-of-work framework. As a post-blockchain stage, clients on Cardano can approve new exchanges by marking their coins as insurance. This is unique and excessive, less easy contrasted with PoW blockchain like Bitcoin, where excavators use power-concentrated PC equipment to tackle complex numerical conditions to approve new exchanges. Cardano's local digital money is known as ADA, despite the fact that you will find the vast majority alluding to it just as Cardano. Thus, basically, Cardano is a stage, and ADA is the digital money that sudden spikes in demand for it. How does Cardano function? Despite the fact that it utilizes a POS framework, Cardano is likewise an open-source blockchain stage, like the greater part of the other significant digital currencies. As a third-age digital money, Cardano for the most part enhances the inadequacies of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It does this by using what is known as a layered design to support 3 significant parts of digital money: security, versatility, and maintainability. In such manner, Cardano depends on 2 particular layers. These are the Cardano settlement layer, CSL, prominently known as the digital money layer, the Cardano calculation layer, CCL. The main layer is where clients can perform digital currency exchanges, like trading Cardano. The subsequent layer is a piece specialized and is where designers can run their own decentralized applications, dApps, and brilliant agreements. This remarkable design has empowered Cardano to stick out, particularly when contrasted with the first and second age cryptographic forms of money. The 2 layers clear the space for a more successful long-haul versatility, and furthermore make it simpler to play out any hard forks from now on. Cardano value history. Cardano was sent off when the cryptographic money market was going through one of the most sensational bull runs. This was in late 2017 and mid-2018. Subsequently, financial backers got ADA genuinely quick. Truth be told, a couple of months after it was sent off, ADA experienced one of its most memorable cost floods. This was between 20th November 2017 and 1st January 2018, when the cost bounced from $0.029892 to $0.970563. This got numerous financial backers energized, and soon Cardano was overwhelming before cryptographic forms of money and standing out as truly newsworthy. In any case, considering that the digital currency had just been alive for under a year, it couldn't support this unexpected explanatory development. Accordingly, the resulting cost drop got numerous confident financial backers disheartened, and by 15 February 2018, ADA was exchanging at $0.351552. Obviously, this put numerous financial backers off, and that implies the negative pattern would be capable until the end of the year. There was, notwithstanding, a sharp spike in May 2018 preceding the coin, continued the negative force that saw it close the year at around $0.029341. This was, in a real sense, time to start over for Cardano and its financial backers. Despite the fact that it struggled with coming to $0.1 once more, the cost recuperated somewhat in 2019. In 2020, similarly as financial backers were getting their expectations high once more, Cardano was up to speed in an expansive accident coming about because of the coronavirus pandemic. This saw the cost dive from $0.065333 to $0.027386 between 10th February and 16th WOC 2020. Cardano had not gone this low since December 2018, so most financial backers lost certainty, and the coin went inconspicuous once more. Luckily, the COVID crash didn't keep going long for most digital currencies. Cardano was one of them. Before long, the crypto achieved and, surprisingly, surpassed its pre-coronavirus cost, and in July 2020, it at last returned to $0.1. ADA remained moderately stable here until early September, when it dropped back to 8 cents for a brief period, prior to returning to $0.1 towards the month's end. Before long, Cardano joined the broad bull run that began in late 2020. The cost immediately rose to reach $0.3 in mid-January 2021. It remained somewhat above $0.3 for the rest of January. In February 2021, Cardano had one of its greatest cost floods. Between February 1 and February 28, 2021, ADA rose from $0.346384 to $1.35. A progression of drops and rises followed. Then in mid-May 2021, it arrived at a high of $2.3. It then had a sharp drop to $1.08 in July, then immediately rose again to its unsurpassed high of $3.10 in September, and it shut the year at around $1.3. In January 2022, ADA came to $1.59. However, at that point the cost began dropping to hit 79 cents in spring. In April, Cardano's value figured out how to ascend to $1.21. The crypto market decline in summer 2022 carried ADA to the low of 41 cents in July. As of now, the coin is exchanging at around $0.5. Cardano value expectation for 2023. Just like with most digital currencies, we will be seeing some level of unpredictability, and ADA could try and end the year at a lower cost than we anticipate. There have proactively been a few forecasts from specialists, and the majority of them appear to paint an uplifting perspective. Obviously, the forecasts shift, yet for the most part, we get the possibility that Cardano could break new records and arrive at new achievements 1 year from now. These forecasts will assist you with concluding whether Cardano is a commendable venture this year, and in the event that you ought to consider adding it to your portfolio. Most cost experts accept that Cardano is set for a brilliant future. For example, Italian investigator Previsione Bitcoin accepts that Cardano will be worth around $2 all through 2023. Previsione Bitcoin is, obviously, known for its bullish expectations, some of which materialize. If Cardano somehow happened to hit that value, it would be worth multiple times its ongoing cost. Obviously, the other cost investigation destinations are additionally confident that Cardano will be on an upturn 1 year from now. Notwithstanding, most don't appear to line up with Previsione Bitcoin's exceptionally bullish forecasts. For example, PreceptPrediction.net anticipates that ADA should close the year at $1.02. Coin Value Estimate predicts Cardano will be worth around 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. This is about a 37% increment from the ongoing cost. Advanced Coin Cost is bullish about the fate of ADA, anticipating that the coin should revitalize to above $1.21 toward the finish of 2023.